Hey, what's up, Anchor holder? So this is the latest update of Anchor coin to what's going on in the price, what's changed occur, my friends, especially, and what's in the future. Can the Anchor price will increase in upcoming time or not? Let's check out the brand video. Kindly before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe the channel and yes, also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone. Okay, this time you can see my brother. This you can see the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and they completely change occur in the positive. All crypto market today wake up again now, my brother. So first of all, congratulations all Anchor holder, my brother, to crypto market is wake up again now, and the Anchor is also starting moving upward. So this is very good news for all of you. Hope you like this news. So my brother, if you can see the price is also updated, you can see 0.12 to 12.528 USD dollar. Is this time you can see the change occurred now, and the price latest you can see 0.13 USD dollar. But definitely, my friends, they will move upward, especially today. And the big reason, the big change, my friends, they take us to today, my friends, they move upward, and absolutely they go in the. So just if we check out, my friends, the last 24-hour chart, absolutely we understand, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not. Yes, exactly, my brother, there is a chance. Is mostly when you can see here, when I see this chart, absolutely I understand, my friends, to there is a more chances to them moving upward. You can see, my brother, especially in the last at 18-hour, my brother, you can see here they completely moving upward. The last 24-hour chart will be positive, my brother, and they completely the direction is moving upward. But definitely after this you can see the after this you can see, my friend, they fell down very fastly. So this is short fail, my friend. I hope after this fail they also moving upward very fastly. So you need to just hold, my friends, to the end. This time you can see here, especially the short term investor, they are starting selling, so they are fell down. But if they hold just in only, my brother, if they hold, then exactly they're starting moving upward like a rocket. So definitely you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, all holder. Hope you enjoyed this video, and upcoming time I hope they move upward, so you need to hold. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.